हेलो इंडिया, प्यारे देशवासियों को मेरा अभिनंदन। मेरा नाम डॉक्टर कुमार प्रीत गोयल है और हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल ए टू द करियर्स में आपका स्वागत है। मैं आपके लिए लेकर हूँ 5 मई 2019 को जो नीट का पेपर हुआ है, 180 क्वेश्चन उसमें आए थे। उसमें से बायोलॉजी के मैं सारे क्वेश्चन आपको दे चुका हूँ 90-95। अब नीट के 45 क्वेश्चन की आंसर की मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ 5 मई 2019 को पूरे के पूरे सोल्ड ओरिजिनल पेपर ई सूर्या नाम का R2 टेस्ट बुकलेट कोड के पेपर में आपको दे रहा हूं। ई सूर्या ये ओरिजिनल पेपर है। इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रोसेस हीट इज नाइदर एब्जॉर्ब्ड नor रिलीज्ड बाय ए सिस्टम इज कॉल्ड एडियाबैटिक। ऑप्शन थर्ड विल बी राइट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द यूनिट ऑफ थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी इज Wm-1 K-1। ऑप्शन फर्स्ट विल बी राइट। Next question, increase in temperature of a gas filled in a container would lead to increase in its kinetic energy. Option third will be correct. A solid cylinder of mass 2 kg and radius 4 cm is rotating about its axis at the rate of 3 rpm. The torque required to stop after 2 pi revolution is 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 Nm. Option second will be right. Which color of the light has the largest wavelength? Red. Option second will be right. For a p-type semiconductor, which of the following statement is true? Only third statement will be true. Holes are the majority, carriers and trivalent atoms are the dopants. Next question, the displacement of a particle executing simple harmonic motion is given by y is equal to a0 plus, then the amplitude of its oscillation is given by under root a square plus b square. Option third will be correct. Next, average velocity of a particle executing SHM in one complete vibration is 0. Option first will be right. Next question, the work done to raise a mass m from the surface of the earth to a height h which is equal to the radius of the earth is half small m small g capital R. Option 4 will be right. In an experiment, the percentage of error occurred in the measurement of physical quantities A, B, C and D are 1%, 2%, 3%, 4% respectively. Then the maximum percentage of error in the measurement X, where is X is A square, B half, C 1 by third, D cube will be 16%. Option third will be correct. Next question, a body weighs 200 Newton on the surface of the earth. How much will it weigh halfway down to the center of the earth? 100 Newton. Option first will be right. This graph, a cylindrical conductor of radius r is carrying a constant current. Option fourth will be right. This graph will be right. In which of the following device the ED current effect is not used? That is electric heater. Option first will be right. A small hole of area of cross section 2 mm square is present near the bottom of a fully filled open tank of height 2 meter, taking G is equal to 10 meter per second square. The rate of flow of water through the open hole would be nearly, answer will be 12.6 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube per second. Option second will be right. Next question, a 800 turn coil of effective area of 0.05 meter square is kept perpendicular to a magnetic field is 5 into 10 to the power minus 5t. Then the plane of the coil is rotated by 90 degree around any of coplanar axis in 0.1 second. The EMF induced in the coil will be 0.02 V. Option first will be right. Alpha particle consists 2 protons and 2 neutrons only. Option second will be right. A soap bubble having radius of 1 mm is blown from a detergent solution having a surface tension 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton per meter. The pressure inside the bubble equals at a point Z0 below the free surface of water in a container, taking G is equal to 10 meter per second square. Density of water 10 to the cube kilometer per meter cube. The value of Z0 will be 1 centimeter. Option 4 will be right. At a point A on the Earth's surface, the angle dip is plus 25 degree. At a point B on the Earth's surface, the angle dip is minus 25 degree. We can interpret that A is located in northern hemisphere and B is located in the southern hemisphere. Option 4 will be right. Is being charged by a voltage surface whose potential in changing at the rate of 3 volt per second, the conduction current through the connecting wires and the displacement current through the plates of the capacitor would be respectively 60 mu A, 60 mu A. Option third will be right. In total internal reflection, when the angle of incidence is equal to the critical angle for the pair of media is in contact, what will be the angle of refraction? That will be 90 degree. Option first will be right. I will give you all 45 questions of R2 series. You can match according to your booklet series number. And you can download it also. This is the original paper of 5th May 2019 NEET examination. NEET examination only cancelled in Odisha. So you can download it and match your answers. 21st question. In a double slit experiment, when light of wavelength is 400 nm was used, the angular width of the first minima formed on a screen placed 1 mm away was found to be 0.2 degree. What will be the angular width of the first minima if the entire experiment apparatus is immersed in water? Micron water is equal to 4 by 3. Answer will be 0.15 degree. Option third will be right. A hollow metal sphere of a radius capital R is uniformly charged. The electric field due to sphere at a distance small r from the center 0. Option third will be right, as small r increase for r is less than capital R, decreases as r increases for r is greater than capital R. Option third will be right. Next question. The total energy of an electron in atom in an orbit is minus 3.4 electron volt. Its kinetic and potential energy are respectively plus 3 electron volt, minus 6.8 electron volt. Option 4 will be right answer. A copper rod of 88 centimeter and an aluminium rod of unknown length have their increase in length independent of increase in temperature. The length of aluminium rod is alpha Cu 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 5 K minus 1 and alpha Al aluminium is equal to 2.2 into 10 to the power minus 5 K minus 1. So answer will be 68 centimeter. Option first will be right. The radius of circle of a period revolution, initial position and sense of revolution are indicated in this figure. Option will be yt is equal to 3 cos pi t upon 2, where y is in small m. Option first will be your right answer. In this figure, the correct Boolean operation presented by the circuit diagram drawn is NAND. N-A-N-D. N-A-N-D. Option 4 will be right. When an object is shot from the bottom of a long smooth inclined plane kept at an angle of 60 degree with horizontal, it can travel a distance x1 along the plane, but when the inclination is decreased to 30 degree and the same object is shot with the same velocity, it can travel x2 distance. Then x1 is to x2 will be what? That will be 1 is to root 3. Option 4 will be right. Next question. A force F is equal to 20 plus 10 y acts on a particle in y direction, where F is in Newton and y is in meter. Work done by this force to move the particle from y0 to y is equal to 1 m is what? 25 joule. 25 joule. Option 4 will be correct. Pick the wrong answer in the context with the rainbow. These all three are correct with the rainbow. Only fourth option will be your right answer because it is wrong. An observer can see a rainbow when his front is towards the sun. That is the wrong. Fourth option will be right for this question. These are the physics 45 questions in the NEET paper of 5th May 2019. Along with the all details, all the original paper you can download from the description box. And if you like my video, you can subscribe my channel A to Z Careers. And we will give you always the answers key very accurately on our channel. Next question. A mass M is attached to a thin wire and whirled in a vertical circle. The wire is most likely to break when the mass is at the lowest point. Option 4 will be correct. Ionized hydrogen atoms and alpha particles with the same momenta enters perpendicular to a constant magnetic field B. The ratio of their radii of their paths R capital S R alpha will be 2:1. Option second will be right answer. Next question, the speed of a swimmer in still water is 20 meter per second. The speed of river water is 10 meter per second and it's flowing due east. If he is standing on the south bank and wishes to cross the river along the shortest path, the angle at which he should make his strokes with respect to north is given by 30° west. Option second will be right. Next question, a block of mass of 10 kg is in contact against the inner wall of a hollow cylinder drum of radius 1 m. The coefficient of friction between the block and the inner wall of the cylinder is 0.1. The minimum angular velocity needed for the cylinder to keep the block stationary when the cylinder is vertical and rotating about its axis will be what? If g is given 10 meter per second square, that will be 10 rad per second. Option 4 will be when a block of mass capital M is suspended by a long wire of length capital L, the length of the wire becomes capital L plus small l. The elastic potential energy is stored in the extended wire is half capital M small g small l. Option 4 will be correct answer. Next question, which of the following acts as a circuit protection device? That is fuse. Option first will be right. Next question, 2-point charge A and B having charges +2 and -2 respectively are placed at certain distance apart and force acting between them is capital F. If 25% charge of capital A is transferred to B, then force between the charge becomes what? 9 capital F upon 16. Option third will be correct answer. Next question, in this figure, what will be the ratio of the given glowing A and 1 from section B are 9:4. Option third will be right answer. In this question, an electron is accelerated through a potential difference of 10,000 V. Its de Broglie wavelength is nearly what? If given m is equal to 9 into 2, mass of electron is given 9:10 to the power minus 31 kg. Answer will be 12.2 into 10 to the power minus 12 meter. Option third will be correct answer. Next question, a particle moving with velocity capital V is acted by three forces shown by the vector triangle PQR. The velocity of the particle will be remain constant. Option 4 will be correct. A disc of radius 2m and mass 100 kg rolls on a horizontal floor. Its center of a mass has a speed of 20 cm per second. How much work is needed to stop it? That will be 3 joule. Option second will be right answer. The particles A and B are moving in uniform circular motion in concentric circles of radii R capital A and R capital B with speed VA and VB respectively. Their time period of rotation is the same. The ratio of angular speed of A to that of B will be always 1:1. Option first will be correct. Next question, two similar thin equiconvex lens of focal length f each are kept coaxially in contact with each other such that the focal length of combination is capital F1 when the space between the two lenses is filled with the glycerine which has the same refractive index micron is equal to 1.5 as that of glass. Then the equivalent focal length is f2. The ratio of f1 is to f2 will be always 1:2. Option third will be correct. Next question, body A of mass 4m moving with speed u collides with another body B of mass 2 m at rest. The collision is head-on and elastic in nature. After the collision, the fraction of energy lost by the colliding body capital A is 8/9. Option third will be correct. Next question, in this circuit shown below, the reading of the voltmeter and the ammeter will be what? If you will solve that, V1 will be always V2 and I1 is equal to I2. So option 4 will be correct. The last question of the physics today, two parallel infinite line charges with the linear charge densities plus lambda c upon m and minus lambda c upon m are placed at a distance of capital 2r in free spaces. What is the electric field midway between the two lines charge? That will be lambda upon pi epsilon 0 r n upon c. Option 4 will be your right answer. I have given you all 45 questions of physics. you can follow me on India's #1 education app, An Academy, with the name of Dr. Preet Goel. I have given you the whole biology, and soon we will give you the chemistry solution of each question of the NEET examination 5th May conducted 2019. This is my YouTube channel, A to Z Careers. If you have not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon. Whenever I will put my newest video there, you will find it, and we give you all the latest videos of the entrance exam, previous exams paper. That will give you the idea. You can download it from the description box. Thank you very much for the day. We will meet you tomorrow with a new video. Thank you very much. God bless you. All the success in your life.